My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube, the home of the 5 minute or less YouTube. I don't like to talk any longer because you're not going to listen and I ain't going to waste my time. Anyway, just a little about me. My firm, we are a whole bunch of former IRS agents, attorneys, and CPAs that specializes in tax returns and IRS resolution work. We've been doing this a long time personally. I've worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. I've worked over around, 10,000 cases. I'm a national expert. I've been on television. You may have seen me on TV and stuff. But that's all I do is IRS resolution. My videos, oh, by the way, the description of how to contact me, you'll find in the description section. So today what I want to talk about is what are the different reasons that you file amended tax returns and why you file amended tax returns. As a former IRS agent, revenue officer, I used to practice these. So if you discover an error on your tax return or something's wrong, you made a mathematical or a clerical error, yeah, you may want to go ahead and file your tax return. You may want to do it to reduce your tax, or you may want to file an amended return to correct your tax. Many people go ahead and get 1099s or W-2s and they forgot to put them on their tax return. So what do? You do file an amended return to go ahead and pick that information up. I always recommend, always, you file electronically. Right now we are October 10th, 2022. Right now there are over 1 million paper file tax returns, amended returns. IRS has not filed, and over 5 million 1040 paper returns IRS has not filed. If you file these electronically, your return is going to get processed, and sometimes they take a long time to get processed. They do not process right away. There's a priority order with IRS. So don't go ahead and think when you file your tax return, boom, IRS is going to go ahead and file it. So if you want a refund, you've got to file to get a refund, you have to file it within 3 years of the due date of the original tax return, or IRS isn't going to give you a refund. They will give you a credit to that tax return, but they certainly are not going to go ahead and refund you any money. So like I said, we want to do this electronically, and the 1040X is very simple to fill out. You're going to have on column A the original figures, column C the corrected figures, and column B is going to really be the difference. If you want to find out where your amended return is when you go ahead and file it, you can go to irs.gov and you can pull up where's my amended return. There is a space at irs.gov. You type that in the toolbar and they will let you know. Right now, nobody has any ideas where they are. Nobody. And if you want to know where to file your return and you want to do it through paper, you can go ahead and go on the IRS site and says, where should I file my amended return? The amended return is a great tool. You do want to file it, whether it's to increase income or decrease income. And obviously, if you're going to owe tax, you want to go ahead and get that paid. If not, IRS is going to send you a series of 5 bills over 6 months, and at that time, you can go ahead and you can pay the bill at that time. So the amended return is something you can do. Many tax softwares have them. If it's an easy case, do this yourself, but if it isn't, don't bother and waste your time. But remember, if you have a refund coming, you got to get that within 3 years. If not, you're going to lose the refund. Thank you for listening to my YouTube video. If you have anything that you would like me to do a YouTube on, go ahead and put it in the comments section. That's where I get my YouTubes. I got this one from somebody asked me about 1040X returns. Please give me a subscription. I love subscriptions. It helps YouTube know I'm of value. So if you do that, I would appreciate it. I love to hear from you. Please tell me what you think of the video and tell me what you want YouTube on. You can give me a like. That's always helpful. And I appreciate you very much. And have yourself a good one. Bye-bye.